Car insurance excess. In a moment, you'll discover the single biggest mistake people make while shopping for car insurance, and how exactly to get the cheapest auto insurance rate that is available to you. The number one mistake made while shopping for car insurance is approaching only the companies that are most heavily advertised. The first insurance company that comes to mind is not necessarily the one that will offer you the best rate. The single most critical factor in getting a cheaper car insurance rate is shopping around for as many quotes as you can. Why? Because different insurance companies charge different rates for the same coverage. In addition, insurance companies' competitiveness differ tremendously by customer location. Only by obtaining several quotes that are specific to your situation and location, you will be really able to discover the cheapest rate that is available to you. How many quotes? Go for at least 4 quotes from different insurers. Less than that will not do the job. Now, usually shopping around for 4 quotes can be a tedious and time-consuming task, but we will make it here much easier for you. In a moment we'll reveal to you a little trick we use to weed out the more expensive insurers and discover exactly which is the cheapest auto insurance provider for your specific location. Car insurance excess is the amount you'll have to pay towards a claim you make on your insurance. The total excess is likely to be made up of a compulsory and voluntary excess. For example, if you have a compulsory excess of $250 and a voluntary excess of $150, you'll have to pay $400 towards the cost of any claim you make. What's the difference between voluntary and compulsory excess? Compulsory excess is set by your insurance provider and can't be changed. Voluntary excess is how much you choose to pay on top of the compulsory excess. Some policies may also have an additional compulsory excess. For example, if you're a driver under 25, you could have an additional young driver excess, as insurance providers consider you a higher risk. You might also have an additional excess if you drive a luxury or high-performance car. Most car insurance policies also have a windscreen glass excess. If you claim for a damaged windscreen, you may have to pay a small excess if it needs replacing. If it can be repaired, the excess is usually waived. Check your policy as this can vary. You have no control over the compulsory excess, your insurance provider sets it. They look at the information you've provided and decide what risk you pose, taking into account your age, experience, and even the car you drive. Voluntary excess works differently as you can choose how much you're willing to pay, within a range. Now, as promised, here is a simple trick we utilize to get the cheapest car insurance available. To discover the cheapest car insurance rate that is available to us, we use this free service, toll-free, at 855-981-7528. This is a free by-phone service that specializes in locating the cheapest car insurance rates. They perform the tedious task of shopping around, and present you with the cheapest auto insurance provider for your location. We call this service every year before our car insurance expires. It allows us to discover whether there is a cheaper car insurance rate than ours, and has saved us lots of money over the years. And best of all, it's completely free.
Thank you for watching. Please like this video,